Welcome back to Chick&Bee's. We're going to check the sugar brick today. It's nice and warm. The girls are out. Here, let me show you. See them coming and going? Actually, some of them have pollen on their legs. They'll collect that all winter. So it's warm enough today where they're out and about. And since it's warm enough today, we're going to check the sugar brick that I put in there. The one I previously put in there was a sugar brick with nutrition in it. This is just a standard homemade 50-50 sugar water brick. Little damn roach. Yeah, he's gone. So I've got my inner cover. Girls? I've got my moisture wicking cover with the cedar chips in it. Got a couple bees on the bottom. And the sugar brick is gone. It was right here. Let me make sure you're seeing what I'm seeing. Yep. So I put in extra small hive beetle traps because I would just want to help them as much as possible before we get into the warm weather. So we just take this and we just lay it right on top here. And we'll slide it over. Let the girls move over a little bit. Yep. Let them keep going. These frames in here have honey storage. I could see it. And I don't think they've broken into that yet. So remember, in the wintertime, we don't go through the boxes because they've propylized everything with the cracks and whatnot. And plus, I don't want to disturb the internal temperature of the hive itself. So we just take this and we put it right back together. You see my shim here. See my shim, so that I can put the brick in there. Cedar shavings that will absorb all the moisture and stuff from inside the hive, and it won't drip back on them during the cold winter rainy months. That's it. That's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing today is just keeping them fed. That's our checkup. I seem to be happy. I feel good about this hive. I feel good about it. I feel good about it. I feel good about it. I'm going to keep positively speaking. I'm going to get this hive through the winter time because my challenges are not over yet. So thanks for joining me today, and come back and see us soon. Hey, buddy. You want to get a cami in? This is our new brown dog. This is Winston. Hey, bud. He doesn't know what to think. Hey, buddy.